Welcome guys, my name is DJ Pax. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a background noise on Audio Evolution Mobile. So before I start, let me record two audio of two different tracks so that you can hear the difference. So I have recorded two tracks here. Let me turn off the mic. So as you can see, there is a lot of background noise here. So let me play this one.
Test the mic 1 2 1 2.
You can hear the background
1
noise.
2 1 2. Test the mic 1 2 1 2.
So to remove the background
1 2
noise,
1 2.
just select the part where there is a lot of noise and go to range. Select where you want to remove the noise. Let me select here. Or if you want, you can select here. Then tap off. Tap the three dots, apply the noise. 50% is okay. Just press OK. You can see even to your eyes the background noise had been removed already. So let's play the first track.
Test the mic 1 2 1 2. 1 2 1 2.
Okay,
Test
let
the
me
mic
play the
1 2
second
1
so
2.
that you can hear the difference.